AI Assistance is a tool we're offering in the AARI unit to help locate finger ridge detail. It finds potential regions of interest for the user and highlights them to you to help draw your attention to the most useful areas of the document. The AI Assist can't locate suspects from marks. It can't tell you which marks you should or shouldn't look further into. It's simply there to tell you where potentially useful sites may be and then leave the skilled examination work up to the user. The AARI's AI Assist has been trained in-house using thousands of fingerprint samples. We collected samples from a range of people and developed them in-house, imaged them and labelled them, and then trained our model using these. The model has been trained in-house to identify finger ridge detail. It's looking for any sites it can find with that distinctive pattern of ridges left by finger marks. The AI function is available to users to improve their workflows in many different ways. You could use it to initially locate samples and form the basis of your work, or you could run the AI Assist after you have marked up any prints that you've found manually to help double check you haven't missed any crucial sites. AI Assist is a tool to help users, and it's up to you as to how you would like to use it to best improve your work.